Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to configure PHPUnit in Netbeans. Okay, so the intent here is leverage the test result screen that Netbeans provides us. So this is very helpful because it will list all the tests that are passing or failing. Okay, so it will be very helpful when you are running, all the tests of your project and you have hundreds of unit tests running and failing and something like this. So this is a great alternative uh, to see why and what tests are failing in your project. Okay, so first let's create a project here, for example, right? And you can call it like you want. And now we need to install PHPUnit. Okay, so we will not dig deeper here because we have a video where we previously installed PHPUnit. Okay, so let's paste this and we will use the 9.5 version of PHPUnit. And while this is installing, so let's uh, press right click into the project, and now let's go to properties. Okay, and now uh, let's go to testing tab. Okay, and now we need to do two things here. The first thing is to check PHPUnit, and the second is uh, add the source folder, so the test source folder. So let's create a folder here. Okay, sorry, and let's go to project 5, and here let's create our test folder. Okay, let's name test, right? And now let's remove this, and now this test will be our source test folder. Okay, so let's press in OK, and we are done, guys. So let's create here, for example, into our source test. This look that Netbeans created automatically. Okay, so if you put your mouse over this test files package, you will see your test folder as selected here. Okay, so let's create here our test, for example, my test. Okay, now let's create our class. Now we need to extend from PHPUnit test case abstract class. Okay, and now let's create our first test. Okay, so test, and now let's create a quick assertion method, assert through, and let's put here something that make our test passing. Okay, this is not important in this video. So the important thing is that we now are able to see our test passing. We will see here a notice that Netbeans is saying that we can see this test result window. Okay, and yeah guys, we have here a test list of test passing. Okay, so in the right side we have some buttons that will allows us to filter the kind of test that we want to see. For example, if you want to see only the tests that are failing, so you need to uncheck this, and this will show you all the tests that is failing. Okay, so let's create another test here, for example test 2. Okay, so let's create a test that will fail. Okay, so for example assert greater than, and we will assert that 3, right, is greater than 1, that 1 is greater than 3. Okay, so this test will fail. Okay, so let's run this again, and yeah guys, now are seeing here our failing test, right? And here we have a little description about why our test is failing or passing. So this is very important, guys, because it's a very friendly window. Previously we were running our test here, for example, in the terminal. So if you look, guys, if it's not too friendly with the developer, uh, and it's better to have a screen where you can see this kind of reports. Okay, so if you want to see all, you only need to check this again, and if you want to see only the tests that are passing, so let's uncheck this. Okay, so yeah guys, this is all. I hope this video can be helpful for all of you guys. So next see you in the next video. Okay, thank you.